Hey babes, welcome back to Elevated with Zai, the space where we glow, grow, and level up in every way. If you're new here, hi, I'm Zai, and trust me, you're right on time. Happy Halloween, babes! Well, almost Halloween. By the time you guys see this video, it'll be spooky season in full effect. Unfortunately, your girl is working on Halloween this year, so no trick-or-treating for me, but that's not stopping the vibes. I decided to make my own grown-up spooky basket with all my favorite goodies because, let's be for real, at my grown age, candy just isn't enough. And of course, I'm taking my baby Deuce to PetSmart for their trick-or-treat event so he can show off his first ever costume. So originally for Halloween, I was going to take Deuce to Tompkins Square Park because they was hosting their 35th annual dog Halloween parade, but unfortunately we couldn't make it to the city, and I still want Deuce to get a little piece of a Halloween spirit, so that's why I'll be taking him to PetSmart today. And with that being said, let me go run out to the store and get the items for my spooky basket so I can get back and show you guys, and then we can get Deuce ready to go to PetSmart for his first trick-or-treat event. I'm back from the store. I got a couple of items in my basket, and I'm about to just give you guys the breakdown of each item, why I bought it, and then in the end, I'm gonna just make it all look all cute. Now, your girl don't really participate in Halloween anymore, but as a kid, I always had a costume every year, and now I'm at the age where everybody goes to like Halloween parties and stuff, and I'm just not with the go to a party and I don't know who I'm in the party with, or I'm somewhere and I don't really know who anybody is because everybody's covered up, and Halloween gets really crazy, and I live in NYC, so your girl be chilling on Halloween, and I just thought it'd be really cute to get this little mask. Last year I had the purge mask that light up, but I bought this little $5 mask. It apparently lights up too. Deuce has a costume. I figured I could get something too, so this is gonna be my little costume for the year. I might throw in a little romper, you know, be a cute little... Is this a killer bunny? I would even say it's a killer bunny because it don't got no blood or nothing on it, but LED light bunny romper, you know, cute, period. Next, I purchased me a little hand sanitizer to go in my little purses. And the weather is changing, people are sick. You gotta have hand sanitizer on the go. I never had this flavor before. I know usually when I go into Five Below, they usually have like the seasonal sprays, but I didn't see any, so I just picked up a single one, and this is strawberry fizz. So yeah. The next item I picked up was this little Lego set. So this is a black bouquet, and it's 105 pieces, and it's supposed to be a black rose. And I felt like this fit right into the Halloween spirit of... Is it just one rose? Limited edition does not include the vase. Oh, so it's a set of roses. Okay, I feel like this definitely fits to the Halloween spirit. Black roses. You know, 105 pieces. As you guys can see, my little Winx bear is up there. So I'm about to really get into the building on blocks and stuff. Reading this, I'm not sure if I'm getting a full bouquet of roses or if I'm just getting the one rose. But I'm guessing for 105 pieces, I may be doing one rose. But look at it. It don't seem like this is 105 pieces worth, right? Because let me read the... Includes one black rose build. I see. So I was supposed to buy more than one of these and basically make my own bouquet. That's pretty whack. It's okay though. I'm gonna build this for you guys so we can see the finished product. The next item I picked up was these SpongeBob pajamas. You guys know I love SpongeBob. And it was in the Halloween section for some reason, so I felt like these was like Halloween pajamas, but it's not like they look like, you know, spooky or anything. And these pajamas were soft, y'all. $5 for these soft pajamas? Like, come on. They had the same design in shorts. You guys better go get y'all a pair. And of course, last but not least, I got the candy. So I picked me up a bag of Dum-Dums. Who don't love lollipops? And then I got this bag of like kind of like Haribo gummies, Twizzlers. Do y'all like Twizzlers? I know a lot of people don't really care for Twizzlers. It's nothing but high fructose corn syrup. I don't really care for Twizzlers too much, but it came with Jolly Rancher lollipops too. But I really just wanted it for the Haribo gummy bears. So I'm gonna go ahead and make my little basket look cute. You see my basket, y'all? This is like it's supposed to be for people that's giving out candy. You know, they usually leave this on the front yard, but I'm not doing that. This is gonna be my little spooky basket. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my basket together, and when it's done, I'm gonna show you guys the finishing product. Now that our spooky basket is done, now it's time to get Deuce dressed up to go to PetSmart for his little trick-or-treat walk. So I picked up Deuce 2 costumes for Five Below, and if you're asking me why I bought it for Five Below and not no PetSmart or Petco or any regular pet store, it's because Deuce doesn't really like to wear clothes too much. The only thing he really wears is his Nick jersey, like, and his hoodies when we go outside. The only thing he really wears is his Knicks jerseys and his hoodies outside. Other than that, he don't really like clothes or nothing. Slippers I buy him, he tears it up. He don't like it's giving ungrateful, but I didn't want to spend too much money, but I wanted him to have at least an option or two. The first costume I got him is this little Oscar Myers. I feel like everybody always makes their puppy a Frank, especially when they're a baby. And the second costume I got him is this little basketball one. I thought this was nice. You know, basketball season just came back, you know. Come here, Bo. Deuce is actually in the room with me right now. Say hi to the people. Say hi. Say hi, Bo. You ready to go? Oh, no. Okay. I need to focus. We're here. We here. Okay, up here. We got two costumes. Okay. Deuce doesn't care. He's gonna wear whatever I put him in. So you want to try the basketball first? Basketball? The first costume we're gonna try for Deuce is the basketball jersey. So we're gonna see how he likes it. Okay, Bobo? We're gonna do this one. I don't know how well he's gonna do with this. You see what I mean? Because this is supposed to be in the front of him, and I feel like he's really gonna bite this. He's gonna bite this off. So we're gonna see how well he does. He's already doing bad. The hot dog might have to be the option for him. He can't really bite that one off too well. Okay, Deuce, let's do it. Okay. Stop, Deuce. Stop. Yeah, it's looking like it's a little too big because it's supposed to go in the front of his legs. But yeah, this isn't gonna work. This costume's not gonna work. Okay. He's a hot dog! Yay! You like your costume, boo? Yeah, he's a hot dog. Yay! All right, so definitely the hot dog costume for the win. I really wanted him to do the basketball, but one, he's steady biting at this because this is in his face, and this is a small. I thought this was going to fit. He probably needed an extra small. Yeah, that's your costume. Yeah, you look so cute, bro. You look cute. No. You want to be mic'd up? Here. Now Deuce is mic'd up. What you got to say? Okay. I'll catch you guys at the event. Alright guys, so we just got back home from taking Deuce to the trick or treat. He has so much fun. He interacted with so many puppies. He had a ball. Like, it was a couple of puppies in there with costumes. When we first got there, I didn't really see nobody. I'm like, oh my gosh, like, did I get something wrong? I know I was seeing it on TikTok that they was doing something, but the puppies came in. Unfortunately, the snacks that they were giving out, Deuce couldn't have because they were all chicken treats. Deuce couldn't have because they were all chicken treats, and Deuce is allergic to chicken. But me and my mom did stop in the aisle, and I noticed this box. I'm like, are those dog Fruit Loops? So this is supposed to be a snack that he can have. It's a mixed berry blend. They also had this for, I think it was like beef flavored, but we're going to do the berries because he loved berries. So we're going to see how he likes that. Like I said, he didn't get any snacks, but he did get this cute little pumpkin. It squeaks. Free little toy. They gave us this coupon for $5 off on our service. They gave us this pumpkin decorating kit. I don't decorate pumpkins, but I thought it was really cute. There's some stickers in here and stuff. Matter of fact, let me open it and see. Yeah, it's stickers for a pumpkin. I haven't did a pumpkin in years, but maybe I might do one just because they gave me this. But overall, today was a great day. I successfully made my spooky basket. Let me turn the lights off so you guys can see the mask. See, yeah, the light flashes, it goes slow, so that's really cute. Got my little candy in there, my pajamas. Finished my rolls. I was actually nervous when I first started. Oh my gosh, one of the things fell off. It's probably somewhere in the basket. I gotta find it. When I first started, it was actually like looking kind of hard. I'm like, wait, are these instructions clear? But I definitely will be going to Five Below and get me another one of these. But yes, this is my spooky basket. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications so you guys know when I post. And as I said before, happy Halloween, y'all. Be safe out there. Get lots of treats. Get some scares in. And as I always say, keep your standards high and your vibes even higher. Don't just dream it, elevate it, okay? You were made to shine and level up, so don't forget it. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.